Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Grandpa D goes to Jollibee. Yes, Jollibee is finally here in Maryland. Jollibee opens in April 8 at Westfield Mall in Wheaton, Montgomery County, Maryland, after months of delay from its opening date in December of last year. Prior to its operation, if I crave for Jollibee, I have to drive down south in Virginia Beach for 3.5 hours or up north to New York City for about 4.5 hours. Now, it's within minutes to reach Jollibee in Wheaton from our city. So, on Grandpa D's birthday, we decided to celebrate the Jollibee way with Chicken Joy, of course, pancit palabok, spaghetti, peach mango pie. Orders were, however, limited to $60, and the store is not yet on full menu. This is how the Jollibee Maryland store looks like in the morning, 2 weeks after the inauguration. The usual opening day hustle is gone by this time. We didn't order by phone as suggested. Just tried our luck walking in with our order, which turned out to be pretty quick and easy. Friendly staff is outside to greet and assist customers. Waiting time is about 10 to 15 minutes. We came back for the second time to see how it goes at night time. It was okay too, but now it closes sooner than the earlier weeks of operation. So ayan, sa mga fans ng Jollibee dito sa Maryland, DC at Northern Virginia, what used to be 3 to 4 hours of driving is now closer, more accessible, and conveniently located in Wheaton, Maryland. Eh yung Chowking at Red Ribbon, kailan kaya? Tikman na natin ang mga pasabog ng Jollibee. Unahin natin siyempre ang Chicken Joy with matching gravy. Malutong ini. Lasang ano? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Patikim uli. Isa pa nga. Hindi ko talaga makuha eh. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.